Interestingly, the Corvette squirts out ahead just a little ways before the superior power of the turbo pulls it back. But he stays in it, and this turns out to be the best run in terms of being close. However, disaster strikes.
Holy shit! Bada-boom, bada-bing! Holy shit! Blown on.
The race starts when we come back to the start-finish line. Or if you cheat a little bit, the race starts now. Oh, that caught him asleep. Oh, this ruse could work. I'm doing 150 miles an hour. He's losing. No way. On the entry to the corner, the car superior.
freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time. And take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. Take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity. Time goes by so naturally while you receive infinity. Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity.
Went back out, made another pass.
Relax, take your time.
In sixth gear, it started to come up on me. I had to back out the throttle, slid up on the seat, got right back in it.
Trust in me, and you will find infinity, 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 infinity. Take your time to trust in me.